Hello all. In this lesson we will learn the basics of object-oriented programming C++ and also the access functions. Object-oriented programming is a programming methodology based on representation of a program as a set of objects, each of which is an instance of a certain class, and the classes form a hierarchy of inheritance. Classes in programming consist of properties and methods. Class methods are its functions. Class properties are its variables, fields. An interface is a set of fields and methods of a class that can be used by other classes. An object, an instance of a class, is a separate member of a class that has certain fields and methods. The four basic concepts, principles, of OOP abstraction is the ability to work with objects without going into the details of their implementation. Encapsulation is a system property that allows you to combine data and methods working with them into a class and hide implementation details from the user. Inheritance is a system property which allows to describe a new class on the basis of the existing class with partial or full borrowing of functionality. Polymorphism, the property of the system to use objects with the same interface without information about the type and internal structure of the object. A class has three basic access specifiers: private class member, only members functions of the same class as well as friendly functions. Methods and classes have access to such a class member. Protected class member, only member functions of the same class, friendly functions, methods and classes, as well as member functions of descendant classes have access to such class member. Public, open class member, such class member can be accessed wherever the class itself is accessible. An access function is a short open function whose task is to get or change the value of a private variable member of a class. Depending on the task, they are divided into setters and getters. Getters are functions that return values of private member variables. Setters are functions that allow you to assign values to private member variables. The example shows how getters and setters work. Of this pointer is a hidden constant pointer that contains the address of the object that calls the class method. It is usually used when name conflicts need to be resolved. For example, if the method parameter and the class member being accessed in the method body have the same name, in which case. Thank you all for your attention. Subscribe to the channel and like it.